here's lunch. This is Eden brand kamut and quinoa pasta. And there's a carrot miso sauce combined with a cashew sauce. It's kind of, we had the carrot miso sauce yesterday, kind of more or less as a soup with the noodles in it. It's a recipe from a magazine that I actually would not redo, so I added leftover cashew sauce that I had made kind of Alfredo style for the Ruby online Plants Plus cooking school. These aduki beans are also Eden brand from a can, the best quality in our opinion, macrobiotic quality. I sauteed half of a sweet onion and added the can of beans and then simply seasoned it with tamari. And I'm telling you, it's just so good that way, just simple seasoning. I have mustard greens that were quick boiled and the remains of our pressed red cabbage salad and marinated beets, so it was already kind of seasoned and whatnot, so that's all I just tossed on there. Reheated baked winter squash and some homemade sourdough bread that actually is a combination of wheat and rye this time, plus a little bread flour. And yes, I brought home some vegan butter that I had gotten out at a restaurant, so I'm using a little of that. These are Gardein meatballs. Notice again the combination of a little bit of a convenient food thing going on. There's the aduki beans from a can rather than pressure cooked ourselves, and Gardein meatballs. I've got 2, Don has 3. Everything else is absolutely fresh made, including the bread from scratch, sourdough. So it's totally balanced. We do not avoid oil, salt, and sugar. I see no need to. I don't believe it's healthier. And those that do tend to actually just go into the perfectionist purist trap, and I think that causes more stress than good. There's a variety of color here, a variety of nutrients, variety of flavors. This pasta, honestly, you know, the noodles are good in and of themselves, but I would stick to either whole wheat or just whole kamut personally. The meatballs were just baked in the oven. And anyway, this is a way of eating in balance. This doesn't mean that you need to eat this way or these particular foods, but I'm just sharing how we eat, mostly cooked, not low sodium, and you know, I'll eat more raw fruit as it gets hotter out and as they become more in season. But this just suits our constitution, our body type. I have a Vata, kind of more dry constitution, and other issues that warrant actually more or less having mostly cooked vegetables and greens, especially certain like cruciferous vegetables. And anyway, I hope that's enough said about all of that.